Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to start chapter number 3. Its name is Public, Private and Multinational Company. And in this video we are going to cover the topic public sector and private sector. At the time of independence, Indian economy was divided into two sectors. One is a public sector and other is private sector. Alright, you can see in the image, and that's why the Indian economy is called mixed economy. In chapter 2, the forms of business organization, we learn about the different types of business organization like sole proprietorship, partnership, joint Hindu family business, cooperative society, company, and they all are a part of private sector. Private sector means the business owned and managed by individual or group of individuals. In our daily life, we come across many private sector business organizations. Now let's talk about public sector. In simple words, public sector means the business organizations which is owned and managed by government. It may be wholly or partially owned by central government or state government. It includes departmental undertakings, statutory corporations, government companies. About all this we will see in detail in coming videos, but right now you must be clear in your mind what is public sector and what is private sector. The business organizations owned and managed by individual or group of individual is including in private sector, and business organizations owned and managed by government is a part of public sector. In industrial policy resolutions, government time to time defines the area of activities in which private sector and public sector are allowed to operate. After independence in 1948 industrial policy resolutions, the government was focusing on development of industrial sector. So here government defines clearly the role of public sector and private sector in the Industrial Policy Resolution 1956 had also laid down certain objectives for public sector to follow for the growth of industrialization. In 1991, new industrial policy was announced in which liberalization, globalization and privatization was introduced, where disinvestment of public sector take place. Private sector was given a greater freedom, and even foreign direct investment was invited from business houses outside India. So we can see the role of public sector and private sector is changing over the period of time. After 1991, multinational companies and global enterprises also got chance to enter into the Indian economy. We can see public sector units, private sector enterprises and global enterprises are existing in the Indian economy. About the private sector, we already learned in chapter 2. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the public sector and global enterprises in detail in next coming videos. Now at last, let's compare the private sector and public sector so you will get more clear idea about the both of these concepts. From the objective point of view, private sector is focusing on maximizing profit and public sector is focusing on maximizing the social welfare in the country. From the ownership point of view, private sector is owned by individual partners, karta, co-partners or shareholders. Public sector is totally owned by central government or state government or by both or by some local authorities like municipal corporations are there. From the management point of view, private sector is managed by partners, owner, professional managers, board of directors are there. Public sector is managed by central government or state government, or professionals are also appointed or board of directors are appointed to manage the public sector. From the capital contribution point of view, here in private sector, capital is raised by the owner, partners, karta or shareholders. They are contributing capital in the business. In public sector, capital is raised by the central government or state government, or general public is also contributing in this type of business organization. I hope now it's very clear in your mind what is a public sector and what is private sector and what is their role in our country.